Alright, what you are looking at is my shop refrigerator. It is a GE General Electric, and it's from 1991. And it's original to the house. It came with the house, and this is the first refrigerator I've seen without a water dispenser. It uses R12 refrigerant. I'll show you all the sticker. Let me get the camera in the macro. Here's the sticker. As you see, it is refrigerant 12, 5.38 ounces. It's General Electric. It's pretty gross inside. But here's the door switch. I can't see underneath there. I don't want to even touch this thing because it's kind of disgusting looking. But it's a shop fridge. There's the model number. And let's see if we can get it to turn on. Alright, let's see if I can get it to turn on. Apparently it's not going to come on. Let me try flipping the breaker. Nope, nothing. It's an epic fail. I'll have to catch it one day starting up, but back yonder's thermostat and all. See there, temperature control. I need that set back to C because I don't want my shit in there to freeze. There's the GE logo. This is a damn good refrigerator. The light bulb behind that thing's original as well. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. We'll close it up. Oh, here's the sticker on the side. It's a 19.2 cubic feet. There's the height. It's got wheels on it. GE Appliance Company. It's from 1991. My camera stand. Here's the freezer area. I'm not going to show all of it, but here's the ice maker. As you see, it's the original wood grain and stuff. To start ice dispenser. Pause to read. So yeah. As you see, it hadn't been cleaned in a couple years. I don't know if you'll be able to see back yonder. Probably not. Let's see if I can get over to the other side. No. Ooh. That would be mold, my friends. But like I said, it's a shop refrigerator. It came with the house, so I'll probably pull it out this year and clean it. I don't even want to know what is under there. I don't even want to know what this black sticky shit is on it. I got it on my finger. But yeah. Over and out.